In this video, we're diving into some of the best developer tools and projects that can seriously boost your productivity. From powerful AI chatbots that run on your own device, to tools that simplify your coding workflow and help you create websites without writing code, we've got it all. These open source projects are designed to make your life easier and help you work smarter. You are watching the best developer tools and projects to improve your productivity. Let's get started. Project number 1, GPT for All, bringing powerful AI chatbots to your devices. Imagine having the power of ChatGPT right at your fingertips, available anytime, even without an internet connection. That's exactly what GPT for All brings to the table. GPT for All is an open source project that allows you to run large language models, LLMs, on your personal devices, like your computer, smartphone, or even a Raspberry Pi. No need for external servers or cloud services, just a powerful AI chatbot running directly on your own hardware. The magic behind GPT for All lies in its ability to take complex LLMs, which traditionally require powerful servers, and optimize them for smaller devices. Normally, using models like ChatGPT would mean sending data back and forth to a server, raising privacy concerns, and making you reliant on a constant internet connection. But GPT for All solves that by letting you download smaller, optimized models that can handle tasks like answering questions, summarizing text, translating languages, and more, all while keeping your data private on your own device. You can start by downloading one of the pre-trained models, then install the GPT for All software on your device. The interface is simple and user-friendly, allowing you to interact with the AI easily, whether you're asking questions, generating text, or even fine-tuning the model for specific tasks. And since everything runs locally, you maintain full control over your data, boosting both privacy and security. What makes GPT for All even more exciting is its open source nature. This means anyone can access the code, contribute improvements, or even customize the AI to suit their specific needs. The community around GPT for All is constantly growing, offering support, sharing insights, and building new capabilities. GPT for All is perfect for developers, students, researchers, and even casual users who want a powerful AI assistant without the need for constant internet access or concerns about privacy. Whether you're working on a coding project, writing a paper, or just exploring what AI can do, GPT for All gives you the tools to be more productive and stay in control of your data. Project number 2, Signal Desktop, your secure and private messaging hub. In a world where data privacy is a growing concern, imagine having a messaging app that puts your security first, and you can use it across all your devices. Signal Desktop does just that. It's a free, open-source messaging application available for Windows, macOS, and Linux that's built with one thing in mind: protecting your privacy. Signal Desktop takes the core features of Signal's mobile app and brings them to your computer. It uses end-to-end encryption, meaning your messages are scrambled in such a way that only you and the person you're talking to can read them. No one else, not even Signal. This encryption extends to everything, from text messages to voice and video calls, ensuring that your conversations are entirely private. To get started, you need to link Signal Desktop to your Signal mobile app. It's a quick process where you scan a QR code on your desktop app with your phone, and just like that, your devices are connected. From here, you can send messages, share files, and even make encrypted voice and video calls, all from your desktop. This is especially useful if you spend most of your day working on your computer and don't want to constantly switch back and forth between your phone and PC. One standout feature is Signal's disappearing messages. You can set a timer so that your messages automatically disappear after a certain period of time, adding an extra layer of privacy. This is great for conversations that don't need to be stored indefinitely, reducing the chances of your data being exposed in the future. Signal Desktop also supports group chats with up to 1,000 members, making it ideal for both personal and professional communication. What's even better is that despite its powerful features, Signal collects minimal user data. It doesn't track your messages or call logs, and the little information it does collect is anonymized and not tied to your identity. Whether you're a journalist communicating in sensitive environments, a business professional needing confidential conversations, or simply someone who values privacy, Signal Desktop offers a safe and easy-to-use platform. With its open-source code base, you can trust that there are no hidden backdoors or vulnerabilities, as it's constantly being reviewed by security experts. In summary, Signal Desktop gives you the confidence of knowing that your messages and calls are private, secure, and protected, allowing you to communicate freely without worrying about your data being compromised. It's the perfect messaging tool for anyone who values their privacy in a digital world that often overlooks it. Project number 3, Magic CLI, making your terminal experience magical. Imagine transforming your terminal into a tool that understands plain English, making it easier and faster to get things done. That's exactly what Magic CLI offers. Magic CLI is an open source project designed to simplify your interactions with the command line by allowing you to type commands in natural language instead of memorizing complex syntax. The command line is a powerful tool, but it can be intimidating, especially for those who don't use it regularly. Magic CLI changes that by using a large language model, LLM, to interpret your natural language commands and convert them into the appropriate terminal commands. This means you can type something as simple as "find all the TXT files in this folder," and Magic CLI will handle the rest, translating your request into the correct terminal syntax. One of the standout features of Magic CLI is its contextual awareness. It remembers the context of your previous commands, so it can offer relevant suggestions or complete tasks based on what you've been doing. This not only saves time, but also reduces the likelihood of errors, making your terminal experience smoother and more intuitive. Magic CLI also supports customization. You can create your own aliases, shortcuts, and even custom commands tailored to your workflow. This flexibility allows you to make Magic CLI truly yours, adapting it to fit the specific tasks you perform regularly. For developers, Magic CLI can be a game changer. It speeds up repetitive tasks, reduces the cognitive load of remembering complex commands, and makes the command line more accessible. But even if you're not a developer, Magic CLI is useful for anyone who uses the terminal, whether you're managing files, navigating directories, or running scripts. Getting started with Magic CLI is straightforward. You can find it on GitHub, where the project provides detailed instructions for installation. You'll also need an API key from OpenAI to enable the LLM capabilities, which powers the natural language processing. Once installed, simply type magic, followed by your command in natural language, and watch the terminal work its magic. In summary, Magic CLI is a tool that brings the power of AI to your terminal, making it more user-friendly and efficient. Whether you're new to the command line or a seasoned user, Magic CLI can enhance your productivity, streamline your workflow, and make your terminal experience feel, well, a little more magical. Project number 4, ES-Toolkit, a turbocharged JavaScript utility library. If you're a JavaScript developer looking to write faster and more efficient code, then ES-Toolkit is a project you'll want to check out. ES-Toolkit is a lightweight, high-performance utility library that serves as a modern alternative to Lodash, offering similar functionality, but with significant advantages in speed and size. ES-Toolkit is designed for developers who need to manipulate arrays, objects, strings, and more, but want to avoid the overhead that often comes with using larger libraries. While Lodash is popular and versatile, it can add unnecessary bulk to your project, especially if you're only using a few of its features. ES-Toolkit solves this by being up to 97% smaller than Lodash, which translates into faster load times and a more responsive application. One of the key benefits of ES-Toolkit is its blazing speed. It's been engineered for performance, making it 2 to 3 times faster than Lodash in many cases. This performance boost comes from its use of modern JavaScript features like ES6 and beyond, which allow for more efficient code execution and better optimization by JavaScript engines. Another advantage of ES-Toolkit is its tree shakeability. Tree shaking is a process that removes unused code during the build process, resulting in a smaller final bundle size. ES-Toolkit is fully tree shakeable, meaning you only include the functions you actually use in your project. This reduces the overall size of your JavaScript files, leading to quicker load times and better performance, especially in web applications. ES-Toolkit provides a comprehensive set of utility functions for common tasks like array manipulation, object cloning, deep merges, and more. It covers most of the use cases you'd find in Lodash, but with a much smaller footprint and faster execution. Whether you're working on a web project, a Node.js application, or anything in between, ES-Toolkit can help you write cleaner, more efficient code. To get started with ES-Toolkit, you can easily install it via npm using npm install @tos ES-Toolkit. The project's documentation on GitHub is thorough, providing clear examples and detailed explanations of each function, so you can quickly integrate it into your projects. In summary, ES-Toolkit is a powerful, modern JavaScript utility library that offers significant performance and size advantages over traditional libraries like Lodash. If you're looking to optimize your JavaScript code and make your applications faster and more efficient, ES-Toolkit is an excellent choice. Project number 5, Tiptap Editor, the building blocks for your dream text editor. Imagine having the power to create your own custom rich text editor designed exactly the way you want it, with complete control over every feature and function. That's what Tiptap Editor offers. Tiptap is an open source, flexible, and highly customizable framework for building rich text editors, whether for blogs, apps, or any other content-driven platforms. At its core, Tiptap is a headless editor, meaning it doesn't come with a pre-built user interface. This gives you complete freedom to design and style the editor to match your project's needs without being limited by predefined layouts or styles. You can add, remove, or modify every component, from basic text formatting to complex interactive elements like tables, code blocks, or embeds. One of the standout features of Tiptap is its modular architecture. You start with a bare-bones editor and add only the functionality you need. Whether you want simple features like bold, italics, and headings, or more advanced ones like image uploads, collaborative editing, or even custom extensions, Tiptap makes it easy to build the exact editor you want. Tiptap is built on top of Prose Mirror, a powerful toolkit for creating rich text editors, which ensures a solid foundation with reliable performance. Tiptap takes the complexity of Prose Mirror and wraps it in a more accessible and developer-friendly interface, allowing you to focus on building features instead of wrestling with configuration details. Another key feature is framework agnosticism. Tiptap works seamlessly with any JavaScript framework, whether it's React, Vue.js, Angular, or even plain JavaScript. This flexibility means you can integrate Tiptap into virtually any project without having to rework your codebase. Tiptap also supports real-time collaboration, allowing multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. This makes it perfect for team projects, educational platforms, or any application that requires collaborative editing. To get started with Tiptap, you can find the project on GitHub, where the documentation provides a clear guide on setting up and extending the editor. With its headless nature and modular design, Tiptap gives you the creative freedom to build a text editor that fits your exact needs. In summary, Tiptap Editor is a powerful and versatile framework for building rich text editors that are fully customizable and extendable. Whether you're creating a simple blog editor or a feature-rich collaborative platform, Tiptap provides the building blocks to make your vision a reality. Project number 6, ManuAGI ready-made animations for your apps. Imagine having a collection of stunning animations and effects ready to drop into your apps without the need for complex coding or design skills. That's exactly what ManuAGI offers. ManuAGI is an open-source project that provides a wide array of pre-built, visually appealing components and animations that can instantly elevate the look and feel of your applications. ManuAGI is particularly helpful for developers who want to add some visual flair to their apps, but don't want to spend hours writing custom CSS or JavaScript animations. With ManuAGI, you can simply copy and paste ready-made code snippets directly into your project, saving you time and effort while enhancing user experience. The library includes various animated components like buttons, cards, loading spinners, and progress bars. Each of these components comes with built-in animations, such as hover effects, transitions, and other dynamic interactions that make your app feel more polished and engaging. For instance, you can easily add a glowing button or a subtle sliding card with just a few lines of code. One of the standout features of ManuAGI is its ease of use. You don't need to be an expert in design or animation to integrate these effects into your project. The components are built using standard web technologies, meaning they work across browsers and platforms, and the provided code snippets are well documented, making them easy to customize if needed. ManuAGI is also lightweight and performance-focused. The animations are optimized to ensure they don't slow down your app or cause lag, even on lower-end devices. This is crucial for maintaining a smooth user experience, particularly on mobile devices, where performance can be more sensitive to heavy animations. The best part? ManuAGI is free and open source, meaning you can use it in your personal or commercial projects without worrying about licensing issues. You can also modify the components or contribute to the project if you have ideas for new features or improvements. To get started with ManuAGI, you can head over to the project's GitHub page, where you'll find an extensive library of components, detailed instructions, and examples to help you integrate them into your project. In summary, ManuAGI is a treasure trove of ready-to-use animated components that can make your apps look more dynamic and professional with minimal effort. It's perfect for developers who want to add some visual magic to their projects without getting bogged down in complex animations or heavy code. Project number 7, GrapesJS, your visual website builder without code. Imagine being able to create a fully functional website without writing a single line of code. That's what GrapesJS offers. GrapesJS is an open-source web builder framework that empowers you to design and build websites visually through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface. It's like a digital playground for web development, perfect for designers, marketers, and anyone who wants to create beautiful, responsive websites without getting into the technical weeds. One of the key features of GrapesJS is its drag-and-drop editor. You can select various pre-built elements, like text blocks, images, buttons, forms, and more, and arrange them on your page exactly as you want. This visual approach makes website creation accessible to those who might not be familiar with HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. GrapesJS offers rich customization options, allowing you to adjust every detail of your website's design. You can modify fonts, colors, spacing, and more, ensuring that your website matches your brand or personal style perfectly. GrapesJS also supports responsive design, so your websites will look great on any device, whether it's a desktop, tablet, or smartphone. For those who need a head start, GrapesJS provides pre-designed templates and reusable blocks that you can quickly insert into your project. These templates help speed up the design process, giving you a solid foundation to build upon and allowing you to focus on customizing and adding content. GrapesJS doesn't just stop at design, it also supports code export and integration. Once you've created your website, you can export the code and integrate it into your existing web projects or content management systems, CMS. This makes GrapesJS a powerful tool for both prototyping and production-level websites. The framework is also extensible and open source, meaning you have the freedom to customize it to suit your specific needs. If you're a developer, you can create custom plugins, add new features, or even modify the core functionality of GrapesJS to fit your workflow. To get started with GrapesJS, you can explore the project on GitHub or try the online demo to see how the visual builder works. With comprehensive documentation and an active community, GrapesJS provides everything you need to build your next website visually. In summary, GrapesJS is a powerful, user-friendly web builder that allows anyone to create professional websites without code. Whether you're a designer looking for flexibility or a non-developer wanting to build a website, GrapesJS makes the process easy, fast, and accessible. And that wraps up our look at some of the best tools and projects to boost your productivity as a developer. Whether you're building websites, customizing your apps, or diving into AI, these projects can help you work smarter and faster. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Keep exploring, keep building. I'll see you in the next one.